this association between the University of the Peninsulia and the SCDC going to greater levels in the coming year. Thank you.
Just to give you some background on the visit and how it all happened, some historical and perspective about the association between UPenn and the SCDC Bank. So Professor Pramila Handy, in the year 2010, when she, for the first time when she visited Bangalore, she was looking for the model, a successful model wherein the women empowerment and microfinance was happening at the grassroots level. As she is very well known internationally that she always looks for the real issues. And this is one area which always interests Professor Handy, that is, she always thinks about uplifting the rural women and the poorest of the poor. So that was the time, Dr. Muditaya, the Vice Chancellor of the University, he actually, thought of SCDC Bank as one of the ideal institution and the Grama Vikasa Charitable Trust as an ideal institution which was doing the real work at the grassroots level. So that's how I approached our president, Dr. M. Rajendra Kumar, and he was instantly and very kind enough to say that yes, certainly it will be a pleasure to ensure that the team visits all the most of our groups, and that is how the association started in 2010, right? So it's been almost 15 years, and every year I must say this, that every year whenever I come and request that so the team is coming, he has always been very kind, not only in having this meeting arranged with the self-help groups, but also he ensures that he introduces the group to the cultural activities of this region. And Buffalo Race is one such activity that every year has been so kind enough to take the group to the Buffalo Races which happen in and around this place. So that is how the association has started, and as Professor was saying in the morning, that in the last 15 years, a lot of transformation. I'm sure she would also be explaining her version of how the things have changed over the years. So thank you so much, sir, and the board of directors and the managing director for all the assistance, for all the help rendered to the students of UPenn in all the 15 years. Thank you so much.
Multiple awards, your rooms are full. I hope you have room for my award from our university. You will make some room. But it's an honor and a privilege to present the award to a truly remarkable individual, Dr. N. Rajendra Kumar. He's a visionary leader, tireless social reformer, and an inspiration to us all. In his 7th decade, he continues to embody the spirit of service, dedication, and leadership, and transcends generations. I mean, I've been here 15 years. We were much younger then. I have seen him work in the same dedication as he does today. Under his exceptional leadership, the bank has not only thrived financially with crores of deposits and crores of loans, but it has also embraced its social responsibility with an unmatched commitment. And this is what we honor him for. So, his vision for inclusive growth has found expression in the establishment and nurturing of the Navodaya Grama Vikasa Charitable Trust. Through this initiative, he has empowered more than 40,000 self-help groups, of which we get the opportunity and honor to visit every year. And this has benefited over 450,000 members, both men and women. In recognition of this extraordinary contribution to this cooperative sector and women's empowerment, he has been honored with numerous prestigious awards, to which I would humbly like to give you our award. And this award, as you saw in the video, come from the Mother Teresa Award, the Mahatma Gandhi Award, the House of Commons in London, and the National Excellence Award from Global Leaders Foundation in New Delhi. Even today, as you continue to travel extensively, we honor the tireless working you do to uplift the marginalized women, particularly women, through the self-help group movement that we have come to study. We have, come from a very established, recognized university, but we have a lot of things to learn from you. And this is really a privilege and an honor. So this award celebrates a man with vision, compassion, and dedication that have touched countless lives, and it is with great pride and admiration that I present.